Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today's dish is from Lebanon. It's an amazing salad called fattoush, which means fatta is the word, which means crumbs. And it's all the dishes which has bread on top. They call it fatta, like fatta, chicken fatta, fattoush. They are all dishes with bread on top. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this amazing salad and serve it with any grilled food. So let's start. My ingredients for the salad is green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, 1 tomato, 1 cucumber, a quarter of an onion, 1 clove of garlic, a handful of mint, and a heart of a lettuce. Then I'm going to I will first start with cutting the bread into squares. I will put it in the oven and I will make it crispy. I will add on it sumac, which is the special spice that they use in the Middle East. And it's very, very nice with the salad. So we will add at the top sumac, salt, half a lemon, and olive oil. So the first step is cutting the bread. I have here 2 loaves of pita bread. This is gluten-free. That's what I'm using today. You can definitely get the regular pita bread. You'll find that in the Arabic store, or you can find it in Trader Joe's also. They have pita bread, as well as Publix. So I'm going to cut it into squares, as you see. So a lot of people, they like to fry it, but I like the option of just baking it in the oven and making it crispy. I will bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it gets crispy. Usually it takes 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of sumac. Sumac is a citric taste. It gives a citric taste just like lemon. And then I will drizzle some olive oil on the top and I will bake it for 10 minutes. I will start chopping the lettuce, medium to small, as you see. I will put the lettuce in my bowl. I'm using a small knife to cut the top of the pepper. Make sure you dump all the seeds. I'm going to chop the red pepper now, small squares, as you see. Add it to my bowl. Now I added all my peppers, the red, the yellow, and green. And as you see, it looks very nice with all the nice colors. Next, I'm going to chop the tomatoes. I'm going to cut it first to quarters. I'll remove this part. Then I'm going to cut it again, each quarter in halves. And as you see, it's all medium quarters. This salad is amazing next to grilled food, and it's a very nice salad for gatherings. Next, I'm going to cut the cucumber. I'll cut it in half. Then in quarters. Next, I'm going to chop the onion, very thin slices.
Now I'm going to slice the garlic.
Then I'm going to show you a trick I learned from an Italian friend, that whenever you're using herbs, you can cut it with hand and this will add more flavor. So that's what I will do with the mint. The fresh mint adds aroma to our salad and make it smell amazing. I used to chop it with a knife and then the color was not the same. It was a dark green. Now, as you see, it's still fresh and it's like very bright green. Now I'm going to add salt, sumac, a lot of sumac, like 1 tablespoon, because that's like the main flavor you want to have. Then I'm going to squeeze a lemon. Sorry, half a lemon. Then I'm going to drizzle some olive oil and mix. And then the last step is to add my crispy pita bread. It took exactly 10 minutes. And I added like 1 minute broil. So this is how it looks like. I hope you liked my episode today. I hope you try the fattoush salad and let me know how it goes. And see you next time.